because today is Pen's graduation day. Yay!
So like a big round of applause for everybody going to Big King.
Yay!
Before we start, I have to say, I have to thank all of the parents because you're amazing. You bring the kids in, they're so happy.
Si Pen, oh.
Kitchen!
Laki niyan, ano?
Beautiful one. I don't like the old one. I want this one instead.
Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Today is Pen's graduation day. Yay! So today is June. Ano ba? Sino yun? Si Kira yun. Nag-vlog ako.
Ganito mo na lang.
So yun, ano, may nakita kaming, napastap ako kasi may nakita kaming office mate namin. Hindi na alam bahay niya, na doon pala yung bahay niya. Ganda, no?
Ganda ba? Oo, nakita ko.
Hindi ko alam.
Ganda.
Yun na, ano. Nakakahiya.
Hindi tayo pumasok.
Ba't tayo papasok?
Nakalip ka.
Actually, hindi ko siya kilala.
Manager yun?
Oo, alam. Ay, kilala ko yung pangalan niya, pero hindi ko...
Siya yung
hindi ko siya.
3-day work week lang.
Oh,
3 days lang.
3 days lang din siya. So yun, balik tayo sa topic. So yun, today is June 14th, 2024, birthday. Yun nga, graduation ni Pen. Actually, at ano nung oras na? Mga 9:20 na, pinatid namin si Pen muna. Kasi ano pa siya, di ba? 9 yung pasok niya. Then, imbis na bumalik kami sa bahay, magtatambay na lang muna kami sa coffee shop kasi 10:45 yung start nung graduation ceremony. So yun. Oo, ano lang, hindi siya ano
Formal.
Oo. Saka ano lang sila, parang 10 to 12 lang sila. 'Di ba? Ano lang 'yon, parang graduate lang siya ng play school. Yun, preschool siya. So bago mag primary school, 2 years siya dun sa school na yon. Nag-start ang play school actually here in Ireland. Parang pag 3 years old ka na, pwede ka nang i-admit for ECCE program. So free siya actually. 'Di ba? Wala na tayong binayaran. Yung mga after school lang yung mga binabayaran namin. Tapos ano pa ba? Ayun, so yun nga, kung nanonood kayo sa mga previous vlogs namin, ano na si Pen, primary school na siya next school year. So we're excited also.
This September.
Yep, this September. So yun, samahan nyo kami sa mahaba-habang araw for today dahil yun, after ng graduation ni Pen, dadali namin siya sa favorite store niya, ang Smith Store. Kasi yun, wala pa kaming gift sa kanya. So kung ano mapili niya, yun yung graduation gift namin sa kanya. And then, ano pa ba? Yun, kami. Extra special lunch. Extra special.
Ano natin yung
Father's Day pala this Sunday. So yun, ha? Tipid nyo. Tipid. So yan. See you later guys. Bye. So guys, nandito na kami sa coffee shop. Parang ginagawa siya. Hindi pa ako nagbe-breakfast. Sige, pasok ka na. Ha? Man, order mo.
Para sa may karang.
So bright, and we can't wait for them to come back and visit in their uniforms. So that's a big round of applause for everybody going to Big Food.
Yay!
Before we start, I have to say, I have to thank all of the parents because you're amazing. You bring the kids in, they're so happy. We're delighted that you're part of our community. And especially, I want to thank Carl and Jessica. You've no idea how much they care for your kids. There's always someone on their arms, or they're always keeping somebody happy. They are amazing, and without them, our preschool wouldn't exist.
Yay! Ikaw kayo mag-awak nito. Sama? Jab.
Then Tony, sing your song.
Good job. Wow, good job.
A tree. Roly poly poly. Suet, suet, suet. Roly poly poly. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Roly poly poly. Come on, come on, come on. Roly poly poly. It's stop, it's stop, it's stop. A tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish on land. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then on the next and go again. 1, 2, let's go. Because you pick my finger so. Which finger
Ako na. O, ikaw na.
Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, stand up straight. Teddy bear, close the gate. Teddy bears, go upstairs. Teddy bears, say your prayers. Teddy bears, turn out the light. Teddy bears,
Good night.
say goodbye to our mommy. Say goodbye to everyone. We're Daddy today.
Yay! Good job. Okay.
And the last of our children going to big school is Mark.
Yay!
Well done, Mark.
Oh, sit down ka na doon. Sit down ka ulit.
Patingin ako, ma. Wow.
Nasaan siya?
Ayun.
Tignan mo yung mukha. Anong damit mo?
Kasi pen, no? Oops.
In here, please. Go. Mark, stay over here. Stay here. Good, thank you.
So guys, nasa bus na kami papuntang where are we going, Pen? Papunta na kami ng square. Tapos na yung sobrang ano lang niya, no? Oo. Saka konti lang talaga sila, 7 graduates lang. Tapos yung iba, yung 5 ata yun na moving up lang. Parang ano, magko-continue pa sila ng 1 year sa play school. So, see you later guys. Bibila namin ng gift si Pen, graduation gift. Bye! So guys, nandito na kami sa next agenda. Pen's favorite store, the Smith store. The Smith's Toys Superstore. Yan, bibila namin siya ng gift. So yan, bibila namin siya ng gift dito. Graduation gift niya for being a good student. Yan, excited na yung bata.
Sabi mo na yung feedback ng teacher.
Ayaw nga. So yun, kinamusta namin si Pen dun sa isang teacher niya. Okay naman daw si Pen, sobrang behave daw. Tinanong namin kung naughty ba. Hindi daw, sobrang ano daw. Sobrang disiplinado, no? Kaya ano, hindi daw siya problema ng mga teacher. Kasi siya, isa rin kasi siya sa pinakamatatanda, ano? Oh, we're here na inside. Na, this is for boys. Grabe, sobrang laki. Ano to? For girls.
LOL?
Yeah, you know LOL, right? Yan, pili mo na kami ng toys ni Pen.
Maybe you know what?
What?
Kitchen!
Laki niyan, anak.
Beautiful. What? I don't like the old one. I want this one instead.
Let's look around.
Let's look around muna.
Mura lang
24 yan? Hindi ako.
That's just what I wanted.
Kitchen with light sound.
Kitchen with like
Kitchen with light, sound, and water.
25 lang yan. Sige, let's see pa.
Let's check out something.
Oo, kakarating lang natin.
Let's buy this.
Balikan natin yan
We
mamaya.
will come back to it later.
Maghahanap pa tayo.
Someone buys it.
Marami may stock pa yan, anak. Ano?
I forgot what's this movie. What you know what it is?
I don't know.
Rainbow High.
Yeah, Rainbow
It's
High.
my favorite.
Hindi mo nga naalala.
Naalala niyo yun?
Ay, late na.
So, hello guys. Nag-aantay na lang kaming taxi pa uwi. Lunch na lang. Yun na yung last destination. Nakabili na kami ng gift ni Pen. Ayan, yun ang napili ni Pen. Actually, mura na siya, no? Mga 25 euro lang siya. Laki niyang kitchen, no?
Mahal pa rin pag-bake ng birthday. Pero kung 25 mura na.
Para oo. Kasi mga ganyang kalaking gift, mga mabot ng 30 to 50 eh. Are you excited, Pen, with your gift? That's our graduation gift.
Yeah.
Pagod ka na, nak?
I'll give you a map.
So guys, this is our next stop. Speed Shack Restaurant.
What place is this?
Restaurant.
No. Which restaurant is this?
So ayan na, order namin. Chicken sa akin. Kay Pen ay... halos pare kami chicken and mushroom. Yeah. And then it's for mama. Wow! Pork belly. Sarap ma.
Where's my spoon? And
Kain mo na kami guys. Ben, happy graduation. Show it mama. The diploma.
delicious.
Let's go. So guys, tapos na kami. Si Pen na lang kumakain. Alam mo naman ang bata mabagal. Nag-take out na kami. Kasi may mga natira pa si mama. Yun, daming tao, maingay. Ito yung bill namin. Not bad for a restaurant. 18 euro yung main course. Tapos yung kay Pen 10 euro. And then nag-order soft drinks. Medyo mahal yung soft drinks. Tapos maliit na baso lang siya. So guys, yan na. Na-assemble na namin yung toy ni Pen. Galing oh. May water talaga siya oh. Tapos yan yung ano.
I'm washing my hands.
Nagluluto si Pen.
Doon ka sa gilid. Dapat doon mo na
Medyo matagal namin in-assemble. Kalat ng bahay, sorry.
Oh, yung mga other utensils you can put under the, mga drawer. You have lots of drawer.
So yan guys, anong oras na ba? 2:30 na. Sobrang pagod namin, daming nangyari ngayong araw. Medyo sulit naman tong leave namin kasi
Ikaw lang nakali.
ako lang nakali. Kasi ang dami namin nagawa.
How about you turn off the light?
Tapos yun, bago kami magpaalam, mag-shoutout pala kami. Sa tingnan natin kung nanonood tong mga to. Shoutout sa Team 25, kina Tin, kay Ron, kay JLN, kay Aisha. Tingnan natin kung nanonood sila. Oh!
Okay.
You broke the oven.
Papawal ko dito.
Mumurahin lang kasi yan, anak. Tapos papakita pala namin guys yung parang feedback ng mga teacher kay Pen. Ito yung yan. Ito yung scrapbook ni Pen for this year. Last year may scrapbook din siya. So, ayan. Ayan si Pen, oh. I think this is the first day of school. Ayan, medyo marami kaya hindi ko na siguro papakita. Gusto ko lang basahin yung ano ba yan? May sinabi yung teacher niya dito. Mama, nasan yun? Ito, ayan, observation. Ayan, Spencer is happy, confident, friendly girl. This is Spencer's second year of learning for life. Yan yung name ng school. She has lots of friends and joins in every activity. She loves to play hairdressing and imaginary play. Spencer has excellent English. Wah! Buti pa siya. Sana all. She is helpful and very bright. She can hold a pencil, color, and write numbers. She has a great understanding of animals and loves to talk about them. So, aim, promote learning, and learning goal is thinking and problem solving. Yeah, so lahat na dito check siya. Identifying belonging, exploring and thinking, communicating and well-being. Evaluation and future plan. Through imaginative play, children learn critical thinking skills, how to follow directions, increase social skills, and learn how to manage emotions. By providing worksheet to children, it assists in increasing attention span while also helping them to develop problem-solving skills. This is Spencer. Oh, she's wearing... Meron pa. I think meron pang isa. Mama, meron pa isa, 'di ba? Sa ibang page.
Pero konti lang yung
Ito. Spencer has progressed so well over the past few months. She's brilliant at her learning and remembers work pretty well. She loves to learn and contributes to the class. She knows and recognizes letters, colors, numbers, and some words. She's excited to go to big school in September. So may mga observation. So yun, I think cute. My daughter is a big girl now.
You didn't take the
Ayan, dami pang pictures dito.
Barbie drinks, Barbie cans.
So yun.
And the box,
So yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. If you want a shout out, please comment to the comment section, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.